This video guide is about removing worldcoolfeed.com pop-ups from your browser. These pop-ups may suddenly start attacking Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. It is surely a mistake to click on the Allow button integrated into these pop-ups. When the Allow button is clicked, the browser gets hijacked with multiple advertisements. These ads may periodically start attacking the screen and extremely annoying customers. Some of these ads you can see already. Most likely these ads do not display any decent content. Instead, they really annoy people. So you should definitely fix these issues and to remove these ads. After the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, these ads will be even more multiple. So to fix the issue, go to the menu, go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Now research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove this worldcoolfeed.com from the list. And if you see any other sites, remove them too, in case they are not decent. The feature of push notifications may be decent in some cases, in many cases. But there are a lot of malicious sites that display a lot of their own junk advertisements and may redirect customers to a lot of shady websites. I would also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your device to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.